So this is a very quick video on how to edit your profile in Slack. So I guess the first thing you want to do is actually go to your profile. So I believe you can do it up here, profile. All right, so you see it on the right-hand side. So we click edit, and then you can do a number of things. You can upload a photo, which is suggested, include your name, but also your display name, which could be different, and then your title. So this is where you have a chance to market yourself. So put anything that would be of interest to someone looking at your profile. So in this case, I put the cohort, I guess what I'm doing, or what role I have. So SEO coordinator, and then again, other roles, so SEO freelancer. And then I've also included my LinkedIn. You can put anything there, and you can put your calendar link. So this is also quite interesting because my name's a bit awkward to pronounce or confusing. So you can record the pronunciation of your name or any kind of recording. And then you can also write down phonetically how to pronounce your name. You can choose your time zone. But this is one way to sort of optimize your profile. You can include all this information. When you're done, you just click Save Changes, and everything's been edited. I'd also suggest including contact information, so an email address and a phone number. And then if you see About Me, so under About Me, you can add your Skype if you want. I don't know how important that is at this point, since there is a way to actually do voice calls and video calls or video chats through Slack, but it's still something you can add. Again, this is a way to sort of optimize your profile within Slack.